Today I have installed the Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. When I tried to launch the game, I got this error, failed to allocate video memory. To fix this, you need to open up File Explorer, go to this PC, C drive username, saved games, and find machine games. Open the Great Circle, base, and right click on this the Great Circle config.local and select edit in Notepad. Is pool size, set this to 1000, then click on file and select save option. Once you done this, go to search menu and type graphics settings, click on open it, select add desktop app and navigate to the game folder, select the game exe and select add option. Click on the drop down in game and select this drop down in GPU preference and select high performance, and then just close stuff here and start the game. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.